shit!
Holy fucking shit!
Move! Now! Let's fucking move!
All right, Lester. I got us the tac team rifles.
All right, then this squad is ready to go. Come inside and meet the crew.
All right. I want to say thanks for being a part of our little operation. We're all professionals. We all know the score. We're going to execute the plan. We're going to move quick, and we're going to keep cool. Anybody gets pinched. This meeting never took place. We don't know each other. Is that clear?
Now, we've looked very, very carefully at the plans. We considered something more complicated, but given the location, the weakness of staffing, and the exit points, we believe that a more simple plan will work best.
We're going to hack in, disable security, and waltz right in through the front door. The security guard should be to our left. We neutralize him. 15 seconds later, you come in. I want extreme pressure applied to the staff. The customers are to be calmly subdued. I want one guy on crowd control, while you and I empty out the merchandise from the cabinets. We're in and out in 90 seconds, guys. Franklin will handle your getaway. I'm leaving on foot. Any questions?
Good luck, everyone.
Let's go.
Waiting on you, kid.
Paige, you're in the truck with the bikes, everyone else with me. Gus, Eddie, I need you in the back of the van. Franklin's driving, I'm in the passenger seat. All right, listen up. The four of us in this van, we're about to become accomplices in a major crime. I gotta be able to trust you with my life, my liberty, my reputation. Same goes the other way. A crew will only work when there's trust. So, in the interest of fostering that type of relationship in the short time we've got, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've done this type of thing before, more than a few times, and I've made good money doing it. Enough to spend a long time not doing it. I hope it goes without saying, I know a lot of people. Anyone yaps about me or any of you will be dealt with. Got it? Good. Now, Frank, over to you.
Yeah, man, I'm Franklin, dawg. And, I'm new to these kind of planned out detail robberies. I done my share of small jobs, you know, liquor stores, warehouses, boosting cars. Then I met this dude right here, Michael, man. And he turned me on to this thing.
So, who's next?
I'm Gustavo Gasmota. I'm from East Los, know what I'm saying? It's the bang for the bagos, but hey, don't tell him I told you that. I might need them homies if I go away. Guess I found out pretty young I could pull a trigger. But it was a couple of years before I started doing it for bread, know what I'm saying? Instead of that repping where you from bullshit.
This is it.
Let's move. Go get the bikes. Let's go! Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing. On the floor, now! Go, 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 go! I'll clean out these displays.
I've been able to get you around a minute and a half before the alarm will reset itself.
Ladies!
What the hell is going?
Get on the fucking floor! Gee, nice work on the crowd! You're worth whatever we're paying you, buddy! Hey, I'm watching you. Let's do this! Grab it and move! Let's go! Cleaning them out.
A minute left.
Nice work, man. There's a reason you're paid what you're paid. Don't tell my wife I got all these jewels. Quick hands!
50 seconds.
My wife would like it in here.
You won't even get to the door.
Stay down and don't move. Let's go, let's go!
40 seconds.
Hey, we hit our target. Let's see how high we can go. We're almost almost out of here! We're doing this!
Half a minute left.
Ain't nothing left here for us. Let's get!
So for the last time, move it.
Man, get the fuck out my face.
Oh.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. I'll see you at the river. Go.
It's go time!
Stay close, stay safe, let's go! Hard left here, going onto the big road, Dorset Drive.
Let's move! You crackhead! Home!
Throw.
We're taking a right here and dropping off the bridge onto the freeway. Right! Now we duck to the right, into these tunnels.
Put your headlights on, it's dark in here.
We're going through this tunnel up ahead. The tunnel diverges, but it'll converge in a second. Keep going through the mud. Bike should be able to handle it. At least we got the right bike for this ground. That was a good call. If you know the route and you're not an idiot, these are the only bikes you choose. This should take us into the sewer system. There's a drop here. Rear left here and hard left when you're through the gate. We're gonna start ascending. This means we're nearly out of here. If the truck's in the Ellis River, then we're okay. I see light. We're out.
The police know where you're coming out in the river. We're here to help, but get ready for a warm welcome.
Shit! They all over us!
Hang in there, boys. I got this covered. Hang in there, boys. I got bull bars on the truck. I'll make short work of these cops.
Fuck, man, can you get them off us? Roadblocks up ahead, man. We should cut across the river. This don't look so good. Look out, more roads. Get these cops off us.
Another cop car. Keep going.
We could have got out of the truck before we attacked the convoy of cops.
Shit!
More cops. Look out.
Damn, dog, this is it. This might go give out. Back across the other side, right. There ain't much river left, man. We need to get rid of these cops.
It looks clear to me. Fine work, boss.
All right, we're clear of the cops for right now. Let's stop at the end of the river, and we'll get the bikes into the truck. F, come on, get in. Lester's around the corner at the lockup.
Fuck, man. I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man.
Ha ha! Woo! Ha ha! Woo!
All in a day's work, homies.
Woo! I might just be able to send my kids to college.
I won't say it went off without a hitch, but it went off.
That's it. Put it in the bay.
Call your gym guy, Lesty, baby, 'cause we got merchandise. All right, people. We need to split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house a little later on. We'll celebrate, all right?
All right.
Okay. Huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, man. We're back in action.
I don't care if you got money now. Don't you get it? That ain't what I was looking for. Not then, not now, not ever.
I know it ain't important. Just let me take you somewhere nice, all right?
Where are you? Are you in a strip club? Grow up, stop looking for the easy way.
Tanisha, I gotta go, all right? I'ma change, I promise. You won't even recognize me.